Abcro Kid here again with a Kenmore progressive upright. I'm not sure. This doesn't say like progressive 100 or 200, so I guess it's just a regular progressive. You can see it's one of the later models because it just has the dirt sense, the one light. It doesn't go from red to green or have the sensitivity selector, so you can see there's the settings. Yeah, it actually came to me with the full set of tools and the crevice tools inside that wand. However, the cord seems like a foot or two too short for me, so I don't know if something happened and they cut it off like around here and then just fed more inside the machine, because the plug is an original Kenmore plug, and it came to me set on like medium or high, I can't remember, so I was like whatever, I don't know why, but I really think they operated the machine like that because the brush roll was like brand new. So they obviously just set it up really high and never really touched the ground and wore out. So again, you can see I've got cleaned that out and the bag is pretty full. There's my prop in there like I do with all my other, there's some of my other machines to help with the airflow. So all in all, it's a good machine that cost me like next to nothing shipped on eBay. So I use it. It's one of those machines that I don't slam my machines around, but I don't care if I take it out into the garage and do the carpeting out in the garage that's got road dust and all that. I just, you know, it's got the HEPA bag in there and nothing really gets through it, so who cares? And then there's the foot pedal thing, which is kind of a jank way of shutting off the brush roll, but I guess it works, so alright, here we go. So yeah, I mean, it's a nice sounding vacuum. It's not annoying. It's almost a little bit nicer than the Panasonic Performance Plus Platinum, a mouthful, that I have. It does a good job grooming the carpet, and it does a pretty good job cleaning. And I remember Consumer Reports rated this their highest machine at the time because it was a better value than the direct drive model. But of course you have to replace belts on this. And obviously a brush roll is cheaper on this than it is a direct drive model, which I feel like they should have made replaceable brush strips on the direct drive model, but you know, then it wouldn't have been as expensive to replace the brush roll, which Sears probably wanted people to just buy the whole thing for $100 and instead of trying to fix it. So anyways, here's this simple but good machine. The only thing that I'd say is the I mean, I guess it's on par with the time as the hose is mounted down here, but that's not the end of the world, I guess. You just have to bend over. So, anyways, just tell me what you think, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.